Okay. Dodge Ram 1500 2019. Customer had a remote, as you can see, it's whooped, and I gave him a new one today. Let's go remote start. 1, 2. Here we are. All to the good. 2019 Dodge Ram pickup, or just Ram 1500. Look at that light rolling. What do y'all think? I need that in one of these 300s. Gotta find out where the guy went. But the light is just rolling through the dash, back and forth. Space age. Extremely cool car. Cool truck, rather. Customer's got the star headliner and extra interior lights.